Did you know that a huge majority of modern men are walking around with depleted testosterone? And there is a very high chance you might be one of them. Medical charts might tell you that anywhere between 300 and 500 nanograms is average right now. But let's be honest, that modern average is actually incredibly weak. Testosterone isn't just a random chemical in your body. It is the master hormone that dictates your entire masculine biology. It regulates your fertility, your muscle mass, your bone density, and even your physical stature. When your T levels drop, your entire biological engine starts to misfire. So, how can you actually tell if your hormone levels are crashing? And more importantly, how do you naturally build them back up? Let's dive into the 3 biggest red flags of low testosterone. Number 1, stubborn gut and chest fat. If you are holding on to man boobs and a tie around your waist, you have a hormone imbalance, not just a bad diet. Here is the science behind it. Excess body fat creates an enzyme known as aromatase. This enzyme acts like a thief, stealing your testosterone and turning it into estrogen, the primary female hormone. So, the heavier you get, the less testosterone your body can retain. And the less testosterone you have, the more fat your body hoards. It's a toxic loop, and it will destroy your physique until you forcefully stop it. Number 2, chronic fatigue and weak muscles. If you are a guy in his 20s or 30s and everyday physical labor wipes you out, that is a major red flag. If your muscles constantly ache, or you pull muscles doing basic things, it's a lack of testosterone. Too many guys try to brush this off by saying, "I just didn't sleep well," or "I need a vitamin pill." Wrong. Your masculine drive is drained. You won't get your energy back until you admit what the real problem is. Number 3, the absence of morning wood. This is the ultimate, undeniable check engine light your body gives you. Male testosterone naturally hits its absolute peak during the early morning hours. If you are waking up with 0 erection, or a very weak one, you have a major problem. It means your hormones, your blood circulation, and your nervous system are failing. Listen to your body's warnings and take action. Now let's talk about how to fix this naturally. Fix number 1, intense sweating. A lot of guys ignore this, but sweating is a biological cheat code for hormone optimization. Studies prove that aggressive sweating through hard cardio or saunas flushes that toxic estrogen right out of your system. More heavy sweating means higher testosterone. The absolute best way to achieve this is through sprint intervals. Just do 3 rounds of all-out sprints, 3 days a week. Sprinting forces you to sweat, tears muscle fibers for growth, and triggers massive spikes in human growth hormone. It is hands down the best exercise for male vitality. Fix number 2, uninterrupted sleep. Testosterone is manufactured in your bed, not on the bench press. When you enter the deepest cycles of sleep, your brain floods your body with recovery hormones. You need an absolute minimum of 7 hours. Fix number 3, hormone-fueling nutrition. To build testosterone, your body requires 4 raw materials: protein, zinc, magnesium, and dietary fat. Here is the ultimate breakfast blueprint to get all 4 in one meal. If you eat animal products, whip up a 4-egg whole omelet. Throw a couple of thick slices of watermelon on the side. The whole eggs provide the cholesterol, healthy fats, and protein your hormones crave. The watermelon delivers deep hydration and essential blood flow minerals. If you are plant-based, grab a bowl of high-protein oatmeal. Cook it up in the morning and load it with handfuls of walnuts, cashews, and almonds. Stick to one of these 2 breakfasts for just 10 days straight. I guarantee you will notice a massive spike in your physical power, mental clarity, and daily drive. That's the blueprint.